Today, we will code a Python function that will search into target directories and provide us with a list of files locations for a certain specific file extension. For instance, we need to search for a PDF or document file on the target machine, so instead of checking each directory, we will add a new function to automatically do the job for us. This is very useful when you first land into a target machine and try to explore as much data as possible, like document PDF files. The coding part is quite easy. We will use Python OS library to do the job for us. So, as usual, I have added a new if statement to specify that if we got a search keyword, we will do the following. So this is the newly added section here. So first, we define the format as search, then space, then the directory, then we have a star dot the file extension, like .pdf. Note that we are only interested in the second part, which is the directory that we want to search and the file extension. Right now, to clean the received command and split it into parameters, we will have to cut off the first leading 7 characters here. And we will do so to get rid of unwanted search string and the space. Now, if we count the first 7 characters, it would be up to the C directory here. And the output after doing that, as you can see, would be much cleaner. Next, we split the string into path and file extension, and we will store them into path and extension variables. So the first parameter would be the path, will be stored in the path variable, and the second one will be stored in the extension variable. Next, we define a list variable, and this one is going to be our placeholder to store the file directories. Now, the real code which is going to do the search for us is the os.walk function. This function will navigate all the directories specified in the provided path directory and returns 3 values. The dir path is a string contains the path to the directory, where the dir names is a list of the names for the subdirectories in the dir path. The last one is files, which is a list of file names in dir path. Next, we do another loop to check each file in the files list. If the files end with our desired extension, like .pdf, then we add the directory value into list string. At the end, the function os.path.join represents a path relative for our file to the current directory, and in our case, it's the C directory. Finally, we post the result back to the attacker side. Okay, so let's give it a try, and I'm gonna run the script on both sides. Okay, as a start, let's search for every PDF file in the C directory. So I'm gonna type search space C, then star.pdf. Okay, so here is the result. Let's try to grab this file here, and I would say grab document module3.pdf. Okay, it's working fine. Let's try to search for each text file in the system. It should be a huge list here. So let's go for search c\star.txt. Okay, let's try to narrow down our search, and I will just do a search for the desktop directory. We can do that. So let's go for search, and instead of searching in the whole C directory, I will just type or paste the desktop directory. And we got a file here called password.txt. Let's try to grab that one. And fair enough, here it is our file. Okay, so I hope that this video has been informative for you, and thanks for watching.